This is video of my stock lights from my scooter. It's brighter in the camera than it is in real life. In the camera it's whiter, in real life it's dimmer and yellower. My bike's not doing so great running, so I'm going to rev it a little bit. And then I'm going to switch bulbs and show you the difference between this and an LED bulb. Okay, that's the low beams. Now for the high beams. I'm sorry, that was the high beams. This is the low beams. You see, there's a big empty area in the middle where it's dark. This is the low beams. That's the high beams. Low beams, high beams. And we'll be back. Okay, and this is the LED with the low lights, the low beams. LED with the high beams. Low beams, high beams. As you can see, it throws much more light, much farther, much brighter, with a much more even pattern. $25. I like it. I'm not a sponsor of them. Just saying this is the first one I tried and it works well to solve my needs, which was to make it brighter to be safer to ride at night. Thank you very much.